Hi, I'm Sarah Perrin, a continuous improvement coach at SafetyChain with another Plant Impact Spotlight. Today, we're looking at how a high-caffeine coffee company made a buzzworthy discovery relative to product weight, resulting in annual sales potential of $5.4 million. At their upstate New York production facility, internal audits indicated the potential for improvements in throughput, most likely due to an overpack issue. But the head of quality didn't have a method in place to effectively monitor and tighten pack weight controls. At the time, weight checks were being done on paper every 30 minutes, which made it impossible to analyze, trend, and identify improvements in real time. With digital plant management from SafetyChain, all weight checks are now digital checkpoints, allowing the team to collect and see product weight trends in real time. This gave operators flexibility and freedom to adjust in-process operations as needed to meet all product specs while the line was running. The result? The team discovered they were overpacking every single bag of coffee. The savings? $5.4 million annually. Plus, giving performance analytics to operators not only impacted the top line, it also gave the team confidence to tighten weight specs and spot other continuous improvements quickly and efficiently. Every day, thousands of people use SafetyChain across production, safety, quality, and compliance to improve margins and increase productivity. To learn how SafetyChain can help your plant operations, visit safetychain.com for a free demo.